morning. Good morning. Sure, you're having a great time. Sure, you're having a great time. How are you doing today? If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. How is the sound? How is the sound? I want to see your comments if you can hear me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I believe you all can hear me clearly. I believe you can hear me clearly. So today is 23rd of July, Tuesday, 23rd of July. And there are no major news for the day. We only have medium impact news, which will be released by 3 p.m. as existing home sales and Richmond manufacturing in that index. These are medium impact news, okay? They are not high impact news. It's a medium impact news. So this will be released by 3 p.m. Okay, so if you're trading USD pairs, you should watch out for this news. Watch out for this news, okay? Like I said, they are not major impact news, medium impact news. Depends on the actual value, okay? If the actual value, the difference between the actual and the forecast is very high, it could become a major impact news. Are you getting me? It could impact, it could have a high impact on the market if the difference between the actual and forecast is very high. I hope you get that. If you can hear me, I want to see your comments, please. Drop a comment if you can hear me. So that's it for the fundamentals, for today's fundamentals. Okay, so let's go to the chart. If there's any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it in the comment section. My bias still remains for the dollar. The dollar this week is bullish. Therefore, we should expect bearish move on gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, and because the dollar is bearish. Every buy setup that you see is a pullback. Okay, every buy setup that you see is a pullback, and you could also take advantage of the pullback to make some good profits. I hope you get that. So we are on gold right now. Gold has been bullish since last night. It's been bullish this last night. I'm hoping that gold will pull back to fill these gaps here. That's my expectation on gold. That's my expectation on gold, though the bias for the week is bearish. Okay, though the bias for the week is bearish. The major news, we have major news that will be released tomorrow and on Thursday, and I think on Friday. So the news that will be released, the outcome of the news tomorrow will determine the direction for gold. But at the moment, gold is bullish. At the moment, gold is what? Bullish. If I'm going to take any trade on gold today, it will be a buy. It will be a buy. If you joined yesterday market outlook session, I told you guys I was expecting a buy on gold yesterday, but yesterday it sold. It sold. So it's likely today it's going to buy. With what I'm seeing on the chart right now, it's likely going to buy. As you can see, price has tested. You can see this support. This was a resistance level, which became a support level. And you can see the pattern that has formed there. You can see yesterday there was a strong rejection before the close of the market from this support zone. Can you see that? And one would have best time to have bought gold. Let's go down to 4 hour after the close of yesterday candle. We should be able to identify a bullish reversal pattern on 4 hour. Let's see 4 hour. So you can see on 4 hour we had okay, we had this pattern on 4 hour, which is not a valid, it is not a valid bullish reversal pattern. But after the close of this candle, a resistance level was created. Can you see this? A resistance level was created after the close of this bearish candle. A resistance level was created, and if you go back here, this level was a support. Can you see? It was a support which became a resistance level. You can see, and right now the market is currently above this resistance. Yeah, resistance level. Can you see that? This tells me that demand is higher than supply, and there's a high probability for price to go up. So right now, gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. I would have loved to take this trade, but I wish I had joined the trend earlier. Okay, after price filled this gap. Now, after the formation of this, I want you to see this. After the formation of this pattern, if you go down to, let's say, 1 hour, I think a fair value gap was created. You can see a fair value gap was created on 1 hour. This is the fair value gap on 1 hour, but let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see this gap that was created on 1 hour. The gap got filled. Can you see it? Can you see it at this point? The gap got filled. This would have been the best time to buy. You can see this would have been the best time to buy. Now, after price filled this gap, let's go down to 15 minutes and see the pattern we had on 15 minutes. After that gap got filled, let's go down to 15 minutes. So I'm not seeing your comments. Please, if you can hear me, please drop a comment. Drop a comment. Now you can see what we had on 15 minutes. After the gap got filled, can you see what we had on 15 minutes? So on 15 minutes, we had what looks like an engulfing pattern here, which created a resistance level. Can you see this resistance level? A resistance level was created at this point. Can you see that? After the bearish candlestick closed, after this, what's it called? This bullish candle, a resistance level was created. And if you go back here also, you can see it was a resistance here too. So this would have been the best time. After this candlestick broke out from this resistance, that would have been the best time to buy. Thank you, Onye. Thank you. That would have been the best time to buy gold. You can see that's the reason I'm not considering buying gold at the current market price, because price has already moved. It has gone far from where I should have entered the trade. This would have been my entry, and my stop loss would have been few pips below this level. By now, I should have taken profits of close to over 100 pips on this trade. So it will not be wise for me to start buying gold from the current market price, because it could change the direction anytime soon. It could start selling anytime soon. Very important that you catch the trend at its early phase. It is very important. You catch the trend at its early phase. Once you've missed the move, you just have to let it go. Don't jump into the trade because of FOMO, fear of missing out. No, let it go and look for the next trading opportunity. So that's my take on gold today. It is bullish, but it has moved. I would not advise that you buy at the current market price unless you're willing to take that risk. I don't take such risk. The risk is too high. Okay, so that is it for gold. My bias for gold for today's market remains bullish. Let's see GBP USD. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Okay, GU. Good morning, Mr. Okoro. If you don't drop comments, I wouldn't know you are in this class. It's only by your comments I can know that you are in this class, and I'll be able to recognize you. Okay, so anytime you join the class, just say hello, say hi. Okay, so that I'll know that you are participating in this class. So that anytime I want to do giveaway, I know those that are consistent, those that are always participating in the class. Because someday I'm going to do giveaway to those who are consistent, who are always showing up, those who are always sharing the link with their friends. I will definitely do a giveaway someday. Okay, so GBP USD, let's start with the daily. My bias for GBP USD for the week remains bearish, but as you can see, we have a fair value gap here. This is daily, right? This is daily. Good morning, Mr. Victory. Good morning. Good morning. So this is daily. You can see the setup we have on a daily. This is a bearish setup. You can see this is an engulfing pattern on the daily time frame, right? This is an engulfing pattern. Now, after the formation of this engulfing pattern, a fair value gap was created. And I'm expecting GU to fill that gap. I think we should have another fair value gap on 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour above this daily fair value gap. Okay, so on 4 hour, do we have any above that? There is no fair value gap on 4 hour. Okay, let's see 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, on 1 hour we should have a fair value gap above that. Okay, you can see on 1 hour also we still have a fair value gap here. Can you see this? There is a fair value gap here that is yet to be filled, right? It is yet to be filled. So this should be areas of focus, area of interest. Let me go back to 4 hour. This should be our area of interest. This is 4 hour. Okay, this is the fair value gap on 4 hour. So this should be our area of interest. This is where I'm expecting GU to sell. Okay, this should be our area of interest, but we should be more focused on this fair value gap. Okay, this should be our focus. This is where we should consider selling, because This fair value gap, this second fair value gap, you can see it's at a premium. No, sorry, is at discount. Okay, is at discount. Is at discount. If we apply Fibonacci from this swing high to the current swing low, you would see that that's the first fair value gap that was identified is at what? You can see it's below 50. It's below 50, which is discount. So we want to work with the fair value gap that is at premium. Are you getting me? We want to work with the fair value gap that is at premium. So we want to see price fill this fair value gap, okay? Before we consider selling. That's my take on GBP USD. GBP USD. So I'm expecting price to pull back to this fair value gap. So if you might consider buying GBP USD today, okay? This should be your first target and this should be your second TP for GBP USD if you're considering trading GBP USD. And if your bias for GBP USD is bearish, you could consider selling GBP USD if this support gets broken. Then you should consider, you might want to risk selling GBP USD. And if you are selling below this support, your stop loss should be around this area, probably the high of this candle or a few pips above the high of this candle. That is my take on GBP USD. Any question on GBP USD before we move to the next pair? Any question, any question, any question? Any question, any question? Any question? If you are here to like this stream, please do, please do. I can see I have over 7 to 10 persons in this class and only just one person has liked the stream. If you're here to like the stream, please do that right now. Do that right now. Do that right now. Do that right now. Okay, someone said we should look at Australian dollar USD. Okay, I'll do that in a few minutes, but I want you guys to like the stream. Like the stream so that we can look at Australian dollar USD. Have you liked the stream, Mr. Anayo? Have you liked the stream? If you're here to like the stream, please do. Please do. Okay, let's look at Australian dollar USD. Mr. Ademola, long time. Happy to see you. It's been a long time. How are you doing? It's been a long time. I'm happy to see you, Mr. Shegun. How are you? If you're here to like the stream, please do. Please do so that others can get to see this video. Okay, let's see Australian dollar USD. Australian dollar USD has been bearish. It's been bearish since the open of the market. For the past 2 weeks now, Australian dollar USD has been bearish and it is still bearish. You can see Australian dollar USD turned bearish after it filled this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. Can you see that? After it filled that fair value gap on the weekly time frame, what happened? Started dropping. Can you see that? So Australian dollar USD is bearish at the moment. Australian dollar USD is Bolaji. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. It is bearish at the moment. Australian dollar USD is what? Is bearish at the moment. But this, for me, is not the right time to sell. It's not the right time to sell. It is likely going to drop to this level, but I would advise you wait for a pullback before you sell. Okay, wait for a pullback before you sell. Wait for a pullback. Let's see what we have on the daily. Wait for a pullback before you sell. Okay, this is where I would consider selling Australian dollar USD. Okay, you can see this fair value gap. This gap has not been filled. Okay, so this is where I will consider buying. Selling. This is where I will consider selling Australian dollar USD. That's 70 pips or close to, close to how many pips above? Close to 90 pips above the current market price. So I want to see price pull back. So if I see a bullish reversal pattern form at a support level, I might want to buy. Okay, if I see we have a support here, we have a support here, we have a support here. If a bullish reversal pattern forms in any of this support level, I might want to take advantage of the pullback. I might want to take advantage of the pullback because if we apply, let's apply Fibonacci. Let's take it from this swing low. Okay, let's take the Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high. You can see that price is currently at what? At a discount level. So price is likely going to pull back anytime soon. So for today's market, if I see a buy setup, a bullish reversal pattern form on 4 hour, I will take a buy trade on Australian dollar USD. Buy trade. Selling at the current market price, for me, it's risky. The risk is very high. This would have been the best entry for Australian dollar USD, as you can see. This would have been the best entry. Mr. Raphael, good morning. I can see you. Good morning. Good morning. So you can see at this point, we had a shooting star here. Shooting star. The next candlestick closed bullish. The next one closed bullish. Then this was the first bearish candlestick. It was the first bearish candlestick after the shooting star. So this would have been the best time to sell. You can see where the market is right now, where price is right now. It's far from where you should have entered the trade. So selling at the current market price will be at a higher risk. If you're comfortable with such risk, you can go ahead and sell, but that risk is too high. Okay, so that's it for Australian dollar USD. I'm looking for a buy opportunity today. Long term, this week is bearish, but I'm looking for a buy opportunity today's market. I've missed this sell move, so I'll wait for price to pull back to a premium level before selling Australian dollar USD. Patience, 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 pace. Okay. Which other pair do you want me to analyze? Which other pair? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD should be bearish also. Okay, possibly correlated with GBP USD. So Euro USD is bearish. Euro USD is likely going to drop down to, this will be the first target, this low, and then this second low. This is where Euro USD is coming to. There's a high probability it's going to drop to that level. That's it for Euro USD. That's it for Euro USD. You can see liquidity was cleared at these previous highs. Liquidity was cleared. You can see before it turned bearish. That was what they did past few weeks to clear liquidity at these previous highs. You can see that. So we should expect more bearish move on Euro USD. That's my take. Okay, that's my take. But we might see pullback on Euro USD before going bearish. That's my pullback. As you can see, we have a fair value gap here, which is yet to be filled. So this is the area I will be considering selling Euro USD. Selling Euro USD, which is about 50 pips, I think 50 pips from the current market price. Yeah, 50 pips from the current market price. So I want to see price pull back to fill that gap before going bearish on Euro USD. You can see yesterday Euro USD was in a range yesterday. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? Any question? There are some persons that are still yet to like the stream. Is it that you can't find the button? And if this is your first time participating in the live stream, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online, you get notified by YouTube. And also, if you're in Lagos, I'm inviting you to a free seminar scheduled for Friday and Saturday this week. If you're in Lagos, make it a priority to attend. If you're in Lagos, okay? If you're in Lagos, the class starts by 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So if you're in Lagos, make it to Cabana Capital Office, which is located at 103 Mosheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. 103 Mosheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. If you're in Lagos, don't miss the event. Don't miss it. Don't miss it if you're in Lagos. Make it a priority to attend. Okay, someone said we should look at gold. We've looked at gold. Okay, we've looked at gold. I guess you joined late. We've looked at gold. Someone said we should look at USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. What's happening on USD JPY? Let's see. Okay, so this is USD JPY. Let's start with the daily time frame. So yesterday, USD JPY was bearish yesterday. Yeah, it was bearish yesterday, and so let's see. It is still bearish at the moment. Okay, USD JPY is still bearish at the moment. Let's see if this pullback is to fill a fair value gap. Let's see. So after the formation of this bullish candle, let's see if a fair value gap was created in a lower time frame. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, so on 1 hour, what do we have on 1 hour? So you can see we had a fair value gap here. Though this fair value gap got filled, right? It got filled. This fair value gap has been filled. You can see this fair value gap has been filled, and probably maybe it's coming back to test to fill this gap again, probably, okay? And if a candle closes below this fair value gap, it might just keep going bearish, okay? It might just keep going bearish. It is still bearish at the moment. It is still bearish at the moment. USDJPY is still bearish at the moment. If this support is broken, then we should expect more bearish move on USDJPY. Okay, but before the week ends, I want to see USDJPY go bullish. Before the week ends, I want to see USDJPY go bullish. That's my take on USDJPY. My weekly bias is bullish on USDJPY. Okay, that's my weekly bias. So you can see the pattern that is currently forming on 4-hour time frame. This might close as a doji or a spinning top or an hammer. So if this closes as a doji or a spinning top as hammer, all I need to do is go down to 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame to confirm that the pattern we have there is a bullish reversal pattern. So you can see at the moment on 15 minutes, we don't have a valid bullish reversal pattern yet. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. The previous candle closed as looks like a spinning bottom, and if the next candle closes probably above the high of this candle, if a 1 hour closes above the high of that spinning bottom, I might consider buying USDJPY, but I need to ensure that there is a shifting market structure on 15 minutes time frame, and the shifting market structure on 15 minutes time frame would occur at this high. This is where the shifting market structure would occur. Okay, so I need to patiently wait for that to happen before going bullish on USD JPY. I hope that is clear. That is my USD JPY. This week bias is bullish, so you might want to wait for a very good bullish setup on USD JPY. Okay, you're bearish king. You are bearish on GBP JPY. I hope you executed the trade yesterday, right? If you have joined the sell trade on GBP JPY on JPY pairs, if you have joined yesterday or probably last week, Friday, then you should be in good profits. Okay, but those who have not joined, this will not be the right time to sell GJ or UJ. If you have joined earlier, fine. But right now, where price is right now, is not the right time to buy. Or sorry, to sell. It's not the right time to sell. Though it is still bearish, it is not the right time to sell. Okay, it's not the right time to sell. Okay, you've had several opportunities to sell. Let's go to 4 hour. So that's it for USDJPY. Okay, my bias for the week is bullish. Okay, good. You started selling yesterday. Cool. You have made some good pips. Good. Congrats. But this is not. This won't be the good time to sell for those who have not joined. Please, this won't be the good time to sell unless you're comfortable with high risk, taking high risk. Cool, you can go in. But I do not advise that you go in right now. It's too late to start selling JPY pairs. Any question? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. I think we've covered a lot today. If there's any other pair you want me to analyze, please let me know. Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know, please. As you're taking these trades, ensure that you apply stop losses. Okay, do not over leverage. If you over leverage, there is a high tendency that you will blow the account. Okay, the best way to manage your emotions is to trade with risk you are comfortable with. I hope you get that. The best way to manage your emotions is to trade with risk you are comfortable with. If you're trading with a lot size that will not make you sleep at night, then you should know you are over leveraging. You're taking too much risk. Okay, you're taking too much risk. If you have a trade that is open overnight and you're unable to sleep, you always have to look at the chart. It means you are over leveraging. You are taking too much risk, and you should fix that. You should work on that. That's the only way to manage your emotions. Trade with risk you are comfortable with. Okay, trade with risk you are comfortable with. This raise is a personal raise. Don't try to compare yourself with others. Okay, you don't know what they have in their bank account or what they have in their trading balance, what they have as trading balance. So you don't compete with others. It's a personal race. It's a personal race. Okay. It's a personal race. Okay, so someone said we should look at gold again. Let me go back to gold. So, like I said, gold is currently bullish at the moment. I'm expecting gold to pull back to fill. You can see we have fair value gaps here on gold. So, I'm expecting gold to come and fill these voids. You can see we have liquidity voids here, and we have fair value gaps here. We have a mitigation block here. So, I'm expecting gold to come and fill these gaps. Okay, so right now, gold is bullish. Gold is bullish right now. It is bullish right now, and I'm hoping it will come fill this fair value gap. But like I said, I wouldn't be buying gold at the current market price. I wouldn't, because I should have entered earlier. Okay, this would have been my entry around this area. This is where I should have entered buy on gold. But right now, the market is currently trading about 120 pips above where I should have entered the trade. So I'm not going to buy gold from the current price. Okay, if I'm going to buy, I want to see price pull back to this area. I want to see price pull back to this area before I would buy gold. Okay, but this week my bias for gold is bearish. Okay, the pullback is the buy is a pullback. Okay, the buy is a pullback. The trend on gold this week is bearish. It is bearish. Okay, it is bearish. It is bearish, as you can see. I think a shift in market structure just occurred. You can see this low of this candle. You can see this candlestick broke out from this low. So there is a shift in market structure at this point. And after a shift in market structure, we want to see price pull back and fill this liquidity voids and fair value gaps and mitigation blocks, okay, before we go bearish. So that's why I'm considering buying gold today. But I want to see price pull back. Okay, so if price doesn't pull back, if it keeps going up, I would not join the trend. I would not join it because the risk will be too high. So it is bullish. My bias for gold today is bullish. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. So that'll be all for today's session. If there are no questions, that'll be all for today's session. I hope you got value from this live stream. If you did, please like the stream. And if this is your first time participating in the live stream, ensure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online, you get notified by YouTube. And also, I'm inviting you guys to the forthcoming free seminar in Lagos, scheduled for this Friday and Saturday by 11 a.m. So if you're in Lagos, let's meet at the event. Let's meet at the event. I appreciate you all for always participating in this live stream. Please share the link with your loved ones, with your friends, so that they can get to, acquire this information, this knowledge that has the potential to transform, change their finances forever. Let them participate. Let them participate. Remember why you joined, why you started trading. The goal is to attain financial freedom. There might be challenges along the way, but never give up. That is what I want to tell you. Don't give up. There would be challenges along the way. Challenges should make you better and not make you give up. Okay? Challenges should make you stronger and not give up. I know many people who have given up, in this journey. The question is you should ask yourself is that if you give up, is your finances going to get better if you give up? For those of you who are if you give up today, would your finances ever get better than it is right now? So always know why you joined. A lot of people will tell you things to discourage you. You've been trading for some time, you're not making money. They will keep telling you that. Most of the people that tell you these things, they don't want you to be better than them financially. They don't want you to be better than them financially. You should listen to those who are ahead of you, who are doing better than you financially, and not those that you are at the same level. Are you getting me? They don't want you to be better than them. That is the truth. Listen to your spirit. There's a spirit in man. Listen to your spirit, your intuition. Okay? Never give up. Don't give up. That is the reason for these classes. If you have any challenge, you have someone you can talk to. I've been through it all, the ups and downs of the market. I've been through it all. That is why I choose to mentor those who are new to in this business. That's why I choose to mentor. I've been through it all, the ups and downs. Okay, so please don't give up. Keep pushing, keep pushing. If you blow your life account, go back to demo, demo trade for some time, come back again. Don't give up. Okay? Don't give up. If you blow the account, go back to demo, fix what needs to be fixed, come back live. Okay? So that'll be it for today. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Okay? Keep pushing. Don't give up. Keep pushing. You'll make it. You'll make it. You'll make it. As they say, now who give up, now ain't fuck up. Don't fall, please. Don't fuck up. All right, guys. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Yes, victory, you gave up, but you're back. Yes, always come back. Say a righteous man will fall 7 times and he will rise up again. Don't give up. I haven't done all to stand. Remain standing. Remain standing. You'll get it. You'll get it. Yeah, you'll get it. Don't give up. All right, guys. I wish you all a profitable trading day. Bye for now. Bye for now. We are in this together. We are in this together. I never want any of you to give up. Never, never. I'll never give up on you guys because I know you can do it. You can do it. I know. I know. All right. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. That's the spirit. Never give up. Never give up. That's the spirit. All right, guys. Bye for now. Bye.